Welcome to this unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2 with the Creator Combo. I bought this on my own. This is not a paid for video. I'm just unboxing it, pulling it apart as I got it. See what we got. The reason why I bought this is I have the DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus drone, and I'm so impressed with the gimbal camera on it. And I've never had a gimbal stand or a gimbal camera. So I wanted to own one because I noticed when I film with my iPhone or my GoPro or any other camera, when I walk, I notice a bounce, and I wanted to see if this gimbal would reduce the bounciness and make it seem fluid. So we'll just take these parts out here and let's see what we have. So I don't know what all these parts are just yet, but that's what's on the inside when you pull out the other parts. This right here, I believe, is for the lavalier mic or the wireless mic. I guess that's the transmitter. And I guess it clips on, I think. And then here is like a part. I suppose you put this on the bottom of the camera and you could stick the tripod into that part there, I'm guessing. This thing here, I guess it's called the Smart Extender. I don't know the name of it, but there it is. It looks like you could charge on it. Plug it into the bottom. It looks like there's like a mic port, and then that's the port, I guess, for the tripod. And here's the tripod itself here. And it's pretty neat how they've designed it. There's a little bit of like rubberiness on it. So when you place it down, it has a little bit of shock absorption. Let's see what else. So this looks like the instruction manual. It's probably printed so small that you can't see it, where you wonder why even bother. Let's just slide these guys out. All right, yep, DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo Quick Start Guide. And this is the camera itself, I suppose. At least I hope it is, because, man, if it's not, where's the camera? So there's like a little cradle thing, and there we go. All right. Wow, this thing is light. And a nice spongy. I almost want to keep the packaging stuff. Some of the stuff looks so cool. Like, I always feel bad about pulling the little tab thing out. All right, so let's see if we got anything else in this little box here. Oh, what do you know? What do we have here? Wow, okay. Whatever that is, let's see. Oh, maybe that's the mic, or at least a pop filter kind of thing for the mic. And we have some accessory pieces here. Okay, that looks like the wide angle lens and something else. What else is okay, it's another adapter and silica gel. Okay, another adapter thingy. Looks like a iPhone adapter piece. And some cables. Okay, I guess that's to charge it up. And it looks like it has multi-charge options. It's kind of neat. All right, so USB, and pull it out. See what it looks like. Try not to damage the case. All right, so it's an adapter. Oh, okay. Oh, I've seen this in a video. That's like how you adjust the camera or zoom in or tilt it left and right, and then I guess hit record. And so, all right, so this here is an adapter. You plug it in, and I guess that's how you plug in your cell phone to use it as like a larger screen with more features. And same with that. So that one's, I guess, for Android, and the one we just looked at was for Apple iPhone. And then in here, this looks to be the mic. We'll look at that later. And here is the camera. And there's the camera itself. Still has a little sticker on the front of it. Little gimbal action. Pretty nice, pretty neat. Now they packed all the stuff into this little tiny thing here. Much like Apple, they include their own little DJI sticker, which is kind of cool. And these are just a look at the Creator Combo Quick Start Guide version 1.0 and the other instruction manual or health manual, safety manual. It's got some QR codes in there, so that's cool. And then this is everything unpackaged now. So there's the retail box and the camera itself. Once again, I haven't taken off any of the stuff yet. We have this cradle thing. I'm not sure if it does any functionality other than to protect. I'll find out later on. And here is a little strap and the microphone. I guess you clip it on. It's cute. Got the Apple iPhone adapter and the little controller. And this wide angle lens. And the Android, I'm assuming that's Android adapter. I don't have any Android stuff. This little bottom part, I'm assuming it's like a shorter thing to put the tripod on. And then I'm assuming this is the transmitter for the wireless. Again, I'm guessing, but I think that's what that is. And it has a little power button there, and I don't know if that's a Bluetooth pair. And I guess that's to charge it. And that's, I guess you could also plug in your own mic maybe. And this is that extender, smart module. And yeah, there's some of these QR codes are so small that I tried to photograph them with my phone. They did nothing. And here's that tripod again, collapsible, pretty neat design. It's kind of cute. So there's all the parts there. And of course we have the manuals. I would suggest getting this creator combo if you're going to do it, unless you already have all these parts. But I figure if you're going to go use this pocket piece, you might as well get all the parts that come with it. Something I'm a little disappointed that was not included was a micro SD card. You would think with a creator combo pack, they would package in a micro SD card, but they don't. I'm used to buying like camera combo packs that always include an SD card or a micro SD. Thankfully, I had this micro SD card that I purchased on a sale that Amazon was having one day. But if you were going to purchase this, make sure you also acquire a micro SD card if you don't already have one in your inventory, and make sure it is at least a Series 3. In the manual, it has you download the DJI Mimo app. It also is like you need this app to use some of the features with your cell phone. In fact, when you plug in your cell phone, it'll automatically launch this app. So if you want to get a head start on it, if you're considering purchasing this, go ahead and scan that QR code or download it from your app store, DJI Mimo. All right, now that I flipped this to the side, I see that each part is mentioned. So you have the DJI Pocket 2, you have the cover, the micro tripod, the USB splitter charging cable, the tripod mount, the mini control stick, the wide angle lens, smartphone adapter lightning, smartphone adapter USB-C, the wireless microphone transmitter, the wireless microphone windscreen, and the do-it-all handle, the wrist strap, and that is all the parts in it. All right, and here's the first demo video of me using the camera. So as I'm walking about, it looks pretty smooth, almost like a drone. My walk pace is there, so there's like a slight delay on how I walk, but the camera's not bouncing up and down. And as I turn, it actually has like this delay, smooth turn. And as I turn back to the right, I actually turned before the camera I picked up that I turned to make it real smooth. And so I'm walking further in and turning around. Everything is pretty smooth and fluid, almost as if this is all being done with a dolly or a crane or a drone. This is way better than it would have been if I was just holding my cell phone. Even if I had like a selfie stick or some kind of tripod, it wouldn't be this smooth. And there's no effects put on this. This is right out of the box, how it comes. I've seen a lot of videos where people don't have these gimbals, and including the videos I made, and it's just bouncy and it's not smooth and fluid. Like this smooth and fluidness goes a long way, especially if you're trying to do, property showings or any kind of things. The fluidness, it's these little things that make the video that much better. And here's something interesting to see too, is how it adjusts to different lighting conditions. So here we have bathroom lighting, which is one kind of light. And it didn't even lose its image with the lights on the side. Some cameras go dark, and then now here we're entering a darker room, and look at how, I guess you call it the aperture or the exposure adjusted to the different lighting conditions, which is amazing. And then you even have the backlight in the distance. See how on the balcony there's the sunlight source and it's not creating a backlight? For instance, my drone, when you had that extreme backlight, it backlit. So as we get closer, watch how the camera completely adjusts to the brighter light out here. What a great blend that is. Not all cameras do that. Most of them you'd have to readjust. So I'm impressed how it handles the different lights with ease. And again, we have that smooth turn. My body probably turned faster than the camera did, but it adjusted for it. And I'm getting better at it. This was my first shot with it, so who knows? I didn't know what to expect. But all in all, I'm pretty satisfied with it, and I'm looking forward to what I'll be able to create with it as I get more proficient with how it functions. Well, sorry this was a bit lengthy. I try to make these for the common guy. These are not for the advanced expert pro that wants all the lingo. I try to do it as normal sounding as possible so you know what you're getting. This was a real unboxing. This was exactly what came in my box. Nothing more, nothing less. If you'd like to purchase exactly what I purchased here, there is a link in the description below. It's from my Amazon affiliate account. I'll also have a link to the micro SD card and anything else, maybe the DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus that I purchased. Thank you for watching this video by Technuba.